Happy New Year! Welcome to Jetson Nano Technology. In this video, I am going to explain how I drive the motors for my robot, the most frequently asked question in my previous video. This indoor self-driving robot uses 4 JGB37520 motors, 2 with encoder and 2 without. Since the L298 motor driver that my robot uses only has 2 control channels, I just need one encoder on each side of my robot. Furthermore, the L298 motor driver is controlled by Mega2560 Pro microcontroller board, with its PWM and logical signal. Let's see these components in my robot. This is XHM603 battery protection module to prevent short circuits and overcharge. This strip board divides the motor and encoder cables. There are 6 cables, each function is described in the right bottom corner. Then, this is the L298 motor driver I mentioned previously. And here is the Mega2560 microcontroller board. It uses serial communication to communicate with Jetson Nano, and it can directly control by computer when testing. Also, I put an 8-amp fuse and a voltage sensor to protect and monitor my power circuit. Here is the 12-volt 6-amp-hour lithium-ion battery. It powers all the components on my robot. And here is the graph for those connections. I will post this graph on my GitHub. By utilizing those components, my robot is able to do the basic movement. Thank you for watching. My next video will update my current robotic arm development. If you're interested, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave your comment below. Also, my channel is now available on Odyssey.com. Click the invitation link below to join Odyssey. If you have an account already, please subscribe my channel there. Thank you.